Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change the color of a list in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the color of a list in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after opening the Trello application, you can see all of the boards into here. Now you just simply have to select the board where you have the list in which you want to change the color. And now after opening the board, you just simply have to tap into any of the list that you have, and then you will get to see this cover option. And after that, just simply choose the color you want to change to. Do the same to everything that you have into the list. By following this very easy step, you can easily change the color of a list. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.